guys, welcome to Starlit Stories. In this video, I am going to tell you how a Hollywood blockbuster is made. A Hollywood blockbuster is made through many steps. The first step is script writing. A writer typing away at their desk with script pages and notes scattered around them. And the next step is casting. A director and casting agents gathered around a table reviewing headshots and audition tapes. The next step is called location scouting. A team exploring different locations, taking photos and notes to find the perfect setting. The next step is storyboarding, an artist sketching out scenes and shots on a large board visualizing the film sequence. The next step is pre-production, a bustling office with producer assistants and crew member preparing for the shoot. The next step is filming, a movie set with cameras, lights and actors in action capturing the scene. The next step is special effect, a team of VFX artists working on computer creating CGI elements and enhancing footage. The next step it is editing, editor cutting and assembling scenes, working with the director to shape the final product. The next step is sound design, a sound engineer mixing and balancing audio levels, adding music and sound effect. The next step is premiere, a red carpet event with the cast, crew and industry professionals celebrating the film release.